Welcome back to Little Bits of Everything. Subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Hoorah!
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful Thursday. In this video, I am going to be working on this dresser I found on the side of the road. It was in bad shape. I had to do a lot of repairs, and it did have somewhat of a water damage a little bit on the top. The drawers were broken, so I had to fix those. Alright, so I sanded everything down with a 60 grid, and I'm going to maybe go to a 40, sand it again, or just continue using the 60 and just keep sanding, just so I can get some of this off. But yeah. And I forgot to show it, but I did use a finer grid sandpaper. And now this is the first coat. This is the primer. So here are the drawers. And all I'm going to do is put wood glue, hold them in place, and then that's it. This is the third coat. Okay, so these handles are ugly. I knew they were ugly. My husband insisted that I keep the handles, and I was proving a point here that the handles look ugly on this dresser. And he didn't agree at first until I started putting them all together, and I staged it, and I just, it is so ugly. And one of them is not even like the same size. But yes, I ended up taking them off and putting new handles on. And this is what it looks like, and it's so pretty. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks, bye.
Subscribe, like, and share.